Hey, it's Josh Boorman here from Boorman Lawyers, just outside the Dubbo Local Court. I've appeared here today on a low-range drink driving offence. So usually a low-range drink driving offence wouldn't necessarily have to come to court. In New South Wales, they can be dealt with by way of a penalty notice and an on-the-spot fine of a little over $568 and a 3-month automatic suspension with no conviction. But the difference of this matter is that this was my client's third drink driving offence, his last being in 2019. So he did categorise him as a repeat offender, and repeat offenders, even if they're low range category, are required to come to court. The history for our client was a little bit complicated. He was a troubled teenager on the back of some personal abuse issues which occurred. He ended up getting addicted to methamphetamine for a number of years in his late teens and early 20s. And then he ended up committing a raft of typically drug addicted related offences which saw him go in and out of jail on 3 different occasions. He was last released on the December 2021. He's remained clean from drugs and alcohol, well, mostly drugs, which were the problem, and he has not committed any other offences since he was last released from jail. Until now, obviously. In December 2022, he was pulled over for a low-range drink drive. Earlier that night, he'd gone to the South Dubbo Tavern. He'd had a drink. Well, he'd had 4 or 5 schooners of beer over a 3-hour period with some friends. His partner was peppering him to get home. When he did get home, he caught a taxi home. She'd gone over to a friend's place. And my client was aware that the friend's place that she'd went to, there was a number of sort of males there. He became jealous and concerned and made the very poor decision, get in the car and drive over there. As he was going over there, he was caught speeding, 76 in a 60 zone. So that's the manner of driving which brought him to the attention of police. They obviously breath tested him, and luckily for him, the reading fell just into the low range category, 0.079. So any higher and it would have been in the mid-range category, and he would have been facing a lot longer time off the road, a lot longer interlock period, and a potential for a jail sentence. But today we were able to go into the background with the magistrate, explain how he had basically stayed off drugs and made this one mistake since being released from jail. It's obviously a setback for him. He's disappointed in himself, his family and his employer are disappointed in him. But I really had to stress before the court that it was not a trigger for him to commence reoffending as he has previously done so in the past. He's still clean from drugs. He's now completely abstinent from alcohol. He's focused on full-time work, his partner, looking to settle down, have a family. So it was a bit of a different one because of his complicated history and it being a 3rd drink driving offence. The magistrate did seek to offer some leniency by reducing it down to 2 months disqualification, but he does have to do a 12-month interlock program, and he was given a $500 fine. Very happy client today. He knows where he's going now. He can focus on himself, personal development, and the things that matter most to him in his life. The stabilising factors are his family and his employment, and he can move forward past this speed bump and become a worthy member of our community. And thanks for tuning in here out at Dubbo Local Court today. I want to thank you for tuning into Boorman Lawyers today. You can catch us at any of the usual social media platforms. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact us on 1300 941 900. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video today. I really hope it was informative and helpful for you. There's another couple of videos below that you might want to check out that may be very useful for the process that you might be going through at the moment. Please feel free to like, follow, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've always got fresh new content coming through all the time.